In this video, we will replace the GTX 600 printheads. To begin, you will need a new GTX 600 printhead, gloves, lint-free cloth, and an anti-static strap. Ink needs to be reinstalled after replacing the printhead. If the ink level is low before replacement, refill the ink tanks. From the Standby menu, press Menu OK and scroll down to Maintenance. With the Maintenance option highlighted, press Menu OK. Select Head Replacement, corresponding printhead, and press Menu OK. Follow the on-screen message. Complete printhead replacement within 15 minutes. Turn off the power and unplug the printer cord. Taking the door key, proceed to open both upper left side doors to access the printheads. To prevent damage to any electrical components in the printer, wear an anti-static wrist strap. The metal on the inside of the strap should make full contact with your bare wrist. Slip the static strap over your wrist and ensure that it has a tight fit. Wearing the anti-static strap will help prevent electrical failure of circuit boards. Clip the end of the anti-static strap to a piece of bare metal on the printer in a location that will not restrict your movement. If a static strap is not available, touch a bare hand to an exposed metal area to discharge any static from your body. Open the lid of the printhead and set it aside. The printhead is locked into the casing via a locking clip. Remove the clip by holding the printhead casing firmly and then pull back on the white clip which locks the printhead in the casing. Remove this piece and set it to the side. Gently unscrew all 4 caps, sealing the tubes that feed the printhead. Be careful not to lose the caps or drop the caps into the printer. We will need these in a moment to cap the tubes to prevent air from coming into the lines. Leave the printhead in its casing and set aside. Keep the caps on hand. There are printheads A and B. We will be replacing color printhead A. With the caps in hand, unscrew the tubes on the printhead to be replaced. Cap each tube as you unscrew them to prevent air from getting into the lines. Unscrew and cap the remaining tubes. Then unlatch the carriage board cover and open the cover. Release the clamp and remove the flat cable. For B-side printheads, an additional clip needs to be opened. Then remove the headboard of the corresponding printhead. Be careful not to touch other boards. Unlock the printhead by pressing the tab holding the lock bar. Then remove the printhead and use a lint-free cloth to absorb any ink spillage. Mount the new printhead onto the carriage and push in the lock bar of the printhead to lock the printhead. Be careful not to pinch the flat cable between the metal plate of the printhead and the carriage. Connect the headboard by aligning it with the positioning pins on the carriage board. After connecting, check that the headboard is not tilted. Place the flat cable in the clamp and close it. If it is a B-side printhead, close the additional clip. Ensure that the flat cable for head A does not overlap with that for head B. Extend the flat cable on the printhead side toward the carriage board so that the flat cable will not bend. Fold the flat cable on the printhead side. Then close the carriage board cover, ensuring not to pinch or overlap any cables. Uncap the tubes and connect them to the printhead. Check the stamp on the printhead and the tube number, and make sure that they are connected in the correct position. Incorrectly connecting them may cause the ink to leak during circulation. Ensure to tighten each nut firmly until it stops so that each tube is securely attached to the printhead. Once the printhead has been replaced, close and lock both doors. Plug in the power cord and turn on the power. From the menu, select Maintenance. Install ink after replacing printhead, corresponding printhead, and press Menu OK. Perform the ink install by following the on-screen instructions. Check the condition of each head's nozzle by running a nozzle check and perform cleaning if necessary. Then perform the initial settings after head replacement calibration. If you replaced a color printhead, perform the two same color heads position adjustment calibration. Then perform a firing adjustment, platen rolling adjustment, and white color alignment.